So I came up with this idea a couple days ago and mentioned it to Dan, and I said we should come up with a scavenger hunt for the Tampa show. So just like random stuff that we may or may not see. And so I asked ChatGPT to come up with a list, and it was horrible. So I tried to finesse the question and like the prompt and like, 3 or 4 times, and it just kept coming up with really kind of stupid things. So I decided to just make my own. So anyway, I read it.
We're gonna scavenger hunt. So Darci came up with a list of 30 items.
20. Yep. No, 30.
Okay, 30 items that we're gonna look for at the show, and I think they're actually really fun. So I wasn't a huge fan of the scavenger hunt at first, because when we go to a show, it's so busy, you're trying to do so much, but it actually does sound really fun.
I think it sounds really fun. So anyway, I'm going to read off what we came up with, and then as we go through the show, we'll film each time we find something, and then Dan will like compile everything together.
We'll do a follow-up and let you know how we did.
Yeah, exactly. Hunt. So here are our 30 things.
Oh, should we ask people to comment if they want something else or another idea to find?
Yeah, we would love another idea.
We can amend our list.
We can add to it. That's fine. I mean, as long as it's like somewhat reasonable. Well, you can listen to our list, and then if you have some fun things to add, we would totally love to add it. That would actually be, we should actually have everybody like add and make up the list for us. We'll do that next year. Okay, so number 1 is plastic food decor in a rig.
That's like the staged food, like the wax food that makes it look like it's real food.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll see what we can find. A dog wearing clothes. I'm pretty confident on that. A taco vendor. A free branded Frisbee. So somewhere somebody's got to be giving away a Frisbee.
There's almost always a Frisbee.
Yeah. There's a lot of free swag. A spin the wheel game.
That'll be easy.
Yeah. Someone or a group playing live music.
Super easy.
Yeah. They're not all easy though.
Well, but there's always groups.
But you also have to be in the right place. Yeah, but wonder if they're walking around and we never see them. So that could be it. Okay, so a rig where you have to take your shoes off to enter. So,
Bravo.
Yeah, that means something bougie. That will be kind of fun. A sign that says "Last one" with an exclamation point. A rig with a sale price of $129,999. A sign that says financing available. That should be pretty easy. A trailer that is 23 feet 11 inches. A rig that sleeps 13.
Okay, now I was asking like 13 that you can stuff in there, like it's rated for 6, but you can sleep 13. And we did a search. There's actually some rigs that will do 14 people.
Yeah, but I don't know if they'll be there. So we're going to do our best to try to find one that actually sleeps 13 people. Like, I don't want to say comfortably, but can sleep 13 people.
That's a lot of people.
An ice cream vendor. Someone who sells liquefied. That's going to be our big
It's going to be really hard.
Some kind of unique camp chair. So not like a regular camp chair, not like even one that's like heated or anything like that. Something that has like a super unique quality to it.
Right, something new we haven't seen.
Yeah,
so we've seen heated chairs, we've seen chairs with, built-in pouches and holders, rocking chairs.
Blow-up chairs.
Chairs.
So anything that we haven't seen before, basically.
Someone needs to come up with a new chair.
Yeah. Someone from Utah.
But we'll just look at each other.
No. That means we're going to have to really ask people, so where are you from? Or we might find, like, sometimes the sales associates have, like, where they're from. But, I mean, Utah doesn't have a lot of dealerships. So, I don't know. We'll see.
You never know.
I put it on there. We'll see what we can find. A useful free branded item. So we were talking about the Frisbee, not useful, but like something that
you could use it as a plate.
Well, okay, no, not like that. Like something that is actually useful that I could find.
So what would be useful? Like
well, okay, so I won't use this one because I already gave this. No, maybe. But I gave this to you. So at the Hershey show, the Keystone place, they were giving out free swag, and they had these little like neoprene pouches, and I'm like, what is this? And they're like, oh, it's to put your lip gloss in, or your like chapstick or whatever. I love that thing. I bought like several more for gifts for Christmas. That one was branded Keystone, but I love it because I just clip it to this clip on the inside of my bag, and then I always know where my lip stuff is. So anyway, something like that I could really find useful. Okay. And then we have on our bucket list people that we want to see. So we want to see MJ and Izzy from
Endless RV.
Yeah, sorry, Endless RV. I got a brain in. The Shin Paws. If you don't follow the Shin Paws, we love them. Gabby. It used to be RVs with Gabby was her channel. She's closed down that channel now. She works for Blue Compass RV. She said she's going to be in the Alliance area. And I like her. She's super cute. And
did she close it down or pause it?
No, I think she said she was closing it down. Okay. So anyway,
we loved her.
Yeah,
and her little
cute
jingle.
Yeah,
that jingle sticks.
We still sing it to
like
each other.
The Loompa song.
Yeah,
I just cannot forget it.
It's cute. Anyway, I've been talking with another influencer. We just on a Facebook page, but it's Those Who Glamp Together, and I really like them. Mike and Jody, I've enjoyed their videos, and so
we're gonna funny.
Yeah, we're gonna meet up with them. They're having a little meetup with a couple other influencers, but we're gonna meet up with them. I want to meet them. Matt from Mounts RV Reviews, that won't be hard. He's actually a friend of ours, so that will be fun to see him again. RV Miles, we love his channel, and he's gonna be there, so we're gonna get a picture with him. And then the people that we haven't met the Shimpaws, and so we're looking forward to that. And we have not met Craig and Victoria from Wild RV Life, and we really like them. We've watched their channels since the beginning. Yeah.
Do we know?
Yeah, they have a meetup, so it's in our calendar.
So and there's other people we have met, so we didn't include them in the list. So don't think we're
no, right.
purposely leaving.
Like, and we've met MJ and Izzy before, so I mean,
kind of briefly though, not really.
We had dinner with them at the Liquefy.
It was a big dinner.
It was. Anyway,
we could see him, but not like visit.
What do you mean? I sat next to them.
Oh, you did? I didn't.
No, that's right. You were kind of talking to that side of the table, and I was talking to
remember these things. That's
anyway. Correct. So, but we're good. Okay, so a content creator who is new to us. So, and that will be easy because there's going to be lots of them there. And so, but it will be fun to get to know somebody and be like, hey, you want to be part of our scavenger hunt? We don't know you. What's your channel? And just kind of chat with them for a minute. So, a salesperson with a goofy gimmick or shtick. Dan was like, define that. What does that mean? So what did I tell you?
Something that makes him unique, because I've been in sales before, and everyone in sales is gimmicky in a way, but so what Darcy's thinking is like if they have face paint, or they're wearing a giant duck hat.
Something really like noticeably
gimmicky. Something that makes you do a double take and be like, whoa, what is going on there? Yeah. It draws you over like a moth.
A moth and you're to the light.
Can you show us this RV?
This next one is one that I really hope we can achieve, but I don't know. We want to get a picture with somebody, a subscriber to our channel. So
that's going to be like, I told Darcy, this is like going to that national park. Is it in Arkansas where you can look for diamonds? Is it in Arkansas?
I think so.
Oh, I hope that's right, or I'll sound like an idiot. But you go there and you can, look for diamonds, and every now and then you find one. I think it will be like the same odds.
Or we could just tell somebody, hey, could you subscribe to our channel right now, and then we'll get a picture.
That would be so easy.
Maybe.
Click on subscribe and we'll take a picture with you.
That is funny. Okay, anyway, a rig with black countertops.
Now that one could be hard, except unless some of the high-end, like Class A's maybe.
I was kind of thinking that, like a Prevost might or something. Yeah. Someone with a pet other than a dog. So maybe they have like a ferret or a bird or a lizard.
I'm hoping for a little pig. We should check the Florida
emotional support pig.
We should check the website, because they have some very strict. They seem very strict with their rules.
Yeah, they are.
Florida show compared to Hershey. I mean, you go to the Hershey website, it's very I don't know, end user kind of friendly-ish, but the Florida one, you got a lot of, you know, vendor rules and stuff right there on the front page, and it kind of feels a little more regimented.
Yeah,
is that a good word? It
is. Yeah, they're strict. So, okay, a sticker from a content creator, that should be pretty easy.
Even if we have to peel it off someone's RV.
No, there will be content created. We are bringing stickers. We hope other people bring stickers, and we will just trade stickers. And then Dan added this last one.
Oh, a free-range alligator.
He really wants to find a free-range alligator at the show.
Okay, you always see videos where there's alligators in neighborhoods, and they have to call the special alligator people that show up in a truck. They go out there and wrangle it, you know, and hog tie it, all that stuff.
Yeah.
So it's possible it is Florida.
I don't know. But anyway, if we don't get, that will be the one that we will not get for sure. But
well, we kind of hope we don't.
Well, yeah,
we on the list.
We don't. So anyway, that's our list of 30 things. If you want to add to it, put something in the comments and challenge us a little bit. I love that idea. So that's kind of fun. So other than that, next time we wake up, we're going to be heading to the airport to head to Tampa.
That's right. Time for Tampa.
Yeah, we're excited. It's Tampa time.
All right.
All right.
It is.
Thanks, guys. We're excited to bring stuff to you. And remember, keep it campy.